This video is for those that have ever wondered what a stock market is. A stock market is a global marketplace where buyers and sellers meet to exchange cash for shares in companies. A stock market is centralized and regulated for these transactions to take place. There are many stock exchanges worldwide, with the 4 major stock exchanges in New York, London, Tokyo, and Sydney. The price of a share relies on the economic principle of supply and demand, how many people want to buy that stock as opposed to how many people want to sell it. Buyers and sellers will meet in the middle and agree on a price before a transaction takes place. The stock price goes up with demand when there are more buyers of stock than sellers. The price will drop if there are more sellers of the stock than buyers, which can come down to investors losing faith in a company, making the stock unfavorable. You can buy stocks and shares from a publicly traded company on the stock market, and the easiest way to do this is on an online trading platform.
Remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.